Welcome back. The fate of controversial Sunburn party at Kandalim will be sealed on Monday. A special committee appointed for Sunburn will study the security arrangements and other aspects of the Sunburn festival. The committee will submit its report on Monday to the Home Department, and thereafter the government will decide about the nod to the party. Meanwhile, organizers have already started selling tickets, anticipating a go-ahead for the party.
Government is going very cautiously over Sunburn. A special committee has been appointed under North Goa Collector Mihir Vardhan to look into various aspects of the controversial festival. Chief Secretary Sanjay Srivastav has informed that this committee will scrutinize party security arrangements and then submit its report on Sunburn on Monday. Chief Secretary on Sunburn. Government has constituted a special committee headed by North Goa Collector Mihir Vardhan. Committee comprises of Traffic Police SP, SP North, GPCB officials. Committee visited Sunburn venue on Saturday. Committee to submit its Sunburn report to Chief Secretary. Chief Secretary to submit report to Home Department. Decision on Sunburn on Monday. Home Minister Ravi Naik on Sunburn. Sunburn has applied for permissions on Saturday. Filed sandbag for report on party arrangements. Have asked for a report on various aspects of festival. Chief Secretary to submit complete report on Monday. Decision on Sunburn after deliberation on report. Sunburn organizers had presumed that they will get the nod for sure and have started selling even tickets right from October. They have called on a press briefing on Monday to declare Sunburn schedules. On the other hand, Ashley Gomes, president of Goa Motorsports Association, has opposed permission for Sunburn. Ashley Gomes has filed a police complaint against Sunburn, and the complaint copy has been forwarded to Chief Secretary, DGP, Home Secretary, SP North and others. Ashley is furious as police had disallowed his motorcycle race earlier on 2 occasions, terming the race as illegal. Ashley has now questioned happenings at the Sunburn festival.
Our event, the motorsports event, was stopped without giving any reason. There has never been any unlawful acts taking place there. No fights, no drugs being used. Whereas at the Sunburn, there are hundreds of registered complaints and most importantly maybe thousands of unregistered complaints, wherein drugs have been used over there, molestation takes place, rapes takes place outside, parking chaos takes place, the residents are put to real hardships because they cannot even enter towards their houses. It's a total mess out there.
A reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi.
It's cheaper to travel to London than Goa from Mumbai. The airfare for Goa-Mumbai flights have shot up as the season is at its peak in Goa. Airfare of Goa-Mumbai flight has touched almost 70,000 rupees. Even Mumbai to London flight is much cheaper, almost half. Volvo bus operators too have raised their ticket fare and it is 2,000 rupees for Goa-Mumbai travel.
Lakhs of tourists visit Goa for Christmas and New Year's celebration. The tourist inflow reaches its peak between 28 December to 1st of January. As always, tourist bus operators and airlines are making money out of this situation. If we go to see the Goa-Mumbai airfare, London trip will be much affordable and cheaper. Mumbai to Goa air ticket is 69,000 rupees. If we compare the other airfares with Goa-Mumbai flights, the difference is clearly visible. Look at this comparison. It's almost double. Mumbai to Goa, 69,192 rupees. Mumbai to London, 45,870 rupees. Mumbai to Dubai, 37,562 rupees. Mumbai to Bangkok, 34,156 rupees. And Mumbai to Singapore, 34,756 rupees. On the other side, Volvo buses plying from Goa to Mumbai have done the same thing. Few days back, the ticket fare of this route was around 700 rupees. Now, by end of December, the ticket rate has mounted to rupees 2,000 to 2,500. That means it is almost the fare of a flight in off-season. Our reporter from Panji, Devidas Kamri, with video journalist Sunny Narvekar.
Goan Seamen Association of India has petitioned General Secretary of Nusai Abdul Ghani. They have demanded that he should come to Goa before January 12th and address their problems. They have also threatened of a severe agitation if the problems are not solved.
Goa Seamen's issues are still pending. Issues like ex gratia pension amount, pension scheme are still not resolved. This has been raised before the South Goa MP number of times, but nothing is materializing. Hence, the association is agitated.
जानेवारी 12 तारखे पहिले जरी तर अब्दुल गानी गोंया येयना आनी हो सेटल कोना इश्यू ताणें प्रॉमिस केलो आहा तो खूब वर्सां पयलीं जे तारोड्यांगेले पयशांचेर हें हॉस्पिटल बांदलां नुसी आनी ताका लागून हें आयज चलता आनी जरी तर हे आमगे एक्स ग्रेशिया इन्क्रीज करपाक जानेवारी पयलीं 12 पयलीं तर अब्दुल गानी गोंया येना आमी एजिटेशन करतले ह्या हॉस्पिटला मुखार आनी कितें जाता तें आमच्यान सांगूंक जायना.
They held a huge rally in Madgaon on Liberation Day to protest against the failure of government to fulfill their long-pending demands. Our reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dias.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.